Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can program a Firestick remote onto your TV. Okay, first off, you'll have to power on the Firestick and the remote. Make sure your remote has batteries on them, and then you'll need to connect the Firestick to your TV's HDMI port and then plug it onto a power outlet. After that, you'll have to prepare the Firestick for pairing. After that, just navigate to the home screen of your Firestick on your TV, and then using the buttons on the Firestick remote, go to the settings option and select it. Within these settings, locate and choose the controllers and Bluetooth device option. From the available options, select the Amazon Fire TV remotes to proceed to the next step. The next step being putting the remote in pairing mode, and you'll of course have to put it on pairing mode. The way you can put it on pairing mode is you'll have to hold down two buttons, which is the home button or the play and pause button, to put it onto pairing mode. After that, you'll just have to follow the instructions provided on the screen to initiate the pairing process. Once the remote is in pairing mode, it will search for available Firestick devices to pair with. After that, you'll just have to complete the pairing process. After putting your Firestick remote in pairing mode, your Firestick device will automatically search for and detect the remote. Once the remote is detected, you will see a notification on your TV screen. Confirm the pairing by selecting yes or okay on your TV screen depending on the prompt. And then that's it. The pairing process will then be completed.